Hi again, everyone. This is attorney Robert Flusses. Over the last several weeks, the news has covered the arrest and prosecution of billionaire New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft for allegedly frequenting a massage parlor and purportedly receiving, shall we say, illegal sexual favors. Mr. Kraft lawyered up and successfully defended the accusations. It turns out that the evidence gathered by the prosecution via the police was tossed out by the court on constitutional grounds. His lawyers attacked everything step by step. They argued against how the government obtained the evidence and everything else they obtained afterwards. As my viewers already know, I've been harping about the fact that you should know and use the Constitution to defend yourself when confronted by the government for alleged wrongdoing. Never throw in the towel. You need to take the attitude that you're going to fight. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. You don't need to be a billionaire to use the Constitution as a defense. You can learn a lot about the Constitution right here on YouTube and on my channel. But before I get into the nuts and bolts of this video, if you like my videos, consider subscribing. In case you don't already know, here's the history of how the government nabbed them. The government installed surveillance cameras inside Florida massage parlors. They were recording everyone as they disrobed and received massages. They recorded Mr. Kraft. To do this, the government obtained what's called a sneak and peek warrant. That allows the government to enter a private premises, in this case the massage parlors, without the knowledge or permission of the premises owners. If the government is able to gather information of illegal acts from the sneak and peek warrant, then they could use that evidence to obtain a traditional search warrant to obtain even more information. Now let's say you go to a massage parlor. You don't expect video cameras to be rolling while you receive a massage, do you? When you go to a public bathroom, you don't expect video cameras to be recording you either, right? That's because you have, under the protections of the Fourth Amendment to the Constitution, a reasonable expectation of privacy. The government's excuse? The cameras were installed because they were targeting human trafficking at multiple massage parlors in Florida, and that customers were enablers of that type of illegal conduct. That turned out to be false. The court ruled that the use of cameras was illegal in this case because the cameras were too intrusive. The cameras recorded everyone in the massage parlor, even those who received lawful services. You can't do that to people. How embarrassing. The warrant only authorized the cameras to record only those receiving illegal acts, not everyone in the parlor. Everyone that uses a massage parlor has a reasonable expectation of privacy, even those, believe it or not, obtaining illegal services. But the government even went further. When the customers exited the massage parlors, the police were waiting and pulled over the vehicles driven by the customers to obtain their names. That was illegal too. Why? Since the video surveillance tapes were illegal, then anything that the government obtained as evidence after the fact is what the law refers to as fruit of the poisonous tree. The poisonous tree is the videos, and the fruit is the driver's names. The government has no case here. The case will probably be dismissed. See how you can break down alleged facts presented by the government used to prosecute you? They bully people and they try to scare them into making admissions. Some of my viewers are going to say that Mr. Kraft was wrong for doing such things. Well, maybe so, but he has rights just like you do as a citizen of this country. The government can't trample over the Constitution. They're not bigger than the Constitution. And that's the lesson here. I'm attorney Robert Flusses, and thanks for watching.